Satnam, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Do you find yourself reacting in situations? Do you lose your cool pretty quickly? Are you involved in drama? Chances are it's because of your brain waves. Your brain waves are actually indicators of what you're thinking, and also your brain waves have a frequency, a sound, and an electrical impulse. If we can tame those impulses, if we can bring your brain waves to a more static and more measured kind of way, then your chances of being more focused, more in control, more neutral is much, much higher. So join me now for a quick program on how to work through the neutral mind. The neutral mind is represented by the number 4 in numerology. Once again, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you like what we're talking about so far, hit the like and subscribe. And we're getting ready to practice now. So find yourself on your mat. If you are needing a prop, please do that now. Grab a cushion or a pillow or a blanket and put that underneath your buttocks so that you have a little bit of leverage to sit down on. Today we'll focus on a breathing pattern, some movement, as well as a meditation that will help us come into this neutral zone. Remember, the neutral zone is really where you want to be in order to have a calm and steady experience in your day-to-day life. Sit up tall and straight. Bring your hands onto your knees. Inhale, bring the shoulders all the way up close to your ears, and then roll the shoulders back and down. Good. Do that 2 more times. Inhale, bring the shoulders all the way up. Exhale, roll the shoulders back and down. 1 more time. Inhale very deeply. Shoulders are up close to the ears. Exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. We'll do the same thing now 3 times, but rolling the shoulders forward. Inhale, bring the shoulders up, and exhale, roll the shoulders forward. Good. Inhale very deeply. Exhale, forward. 1 more time. Inhale very deeply. Exhale, roll the shoulders forward. Good. Press the palms together at the center of your chest. Sit up tall and straight. Press the thumbs into the bone of your chest. Raise your elbows up so that they're parallel to the ground. Close your eyes now and we tune in with the Adi mantra. Ong Namo. Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher who is within. I bow to my highest consciousness. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale very deeply, press the palms together, coming into a neutral hand position. Exhale. Inhale very deeply, let's tune in. Om. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply. Set your intentions. Today we're working on the neutral mind. Act, but don't react. Relax your hands down. Good. Bring your legs all the way out in front. And if you're sitting on a bolster or a cushion, you can slide that out of your way now. Inhale, bring the arms all the way up. Reach up and fold forward. Reach for your toes. And then forward here, bring energy towards you. And then exhale, let it go. Reach your arms upwards. Inhaling as you bow forward, sweep energy towards you, whatever that you're looking for, and then exhale, let it go. Reach up, let it go. Good. So here we're exercising a little bit of an ancient philosophy, which is to surrender. As we bow forward, surrender. Let go of any attachments. And as you move up, to relax. As you move forward, as you pull and call energy towards you, all that is good, all that is for you, is always meant to be with you. Good, and continue. Reach up fully and completely. Sweep the energy forward. You can touch your body or sweep over top. Reach as far forward as you possibly can. It's the beginning of our warm-up series. Good. Take a deep inhale. Bring your arms all the way out. Open into a wide V-shaped position. Take 3 breaths. Inhale very deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Relax your hands all the way down by your sides. Leave your arms, leave your legs extended. And from here, press your left hand down into the ground. Bring your right arm all the way up and over. Do a side stretch. Inhale as you reach. And exhale, lower your hand down and move to the opposite side. If you need any advice for your modifications, you can always watch Deb. And thank you to Deb and Vanessa for being here today, for helping to create this video. So what's the benefit of a neutral mind? Neutral is that place where you can listen and you can take in information without reacting. And that's very important in our work life, in our personal lives, in our school life. Very important, because when we're able to listen, when we're able to tune in to what another person might be saying to us, or a situation has to offer to us, we're able to work with that information. If conversations end up in conflict or conversations end up in arguments, there is a much greater chance that we get slowed down. Our body takes the impact of that, our relationships take the impact of that, and we find things slow down just a little bit more as a result. So finding a neutral place in your body, a neutral place in your mind to operate from, really gives you the freedom to listen, to be present, and to be direct about your response. Move one more time on each side. Good. Relax your hands all the way down. Center your hands here onto the ground. Feel the earth below you. Feel the sky above you. Straighten up your spine one more time. Good. From here, we'll add more movement in terms of a spinal flex. Point your toes forward and lift your chest. Spinal flex, open your chest. And then as you exhale, point your toes towards your head and flex your spine in the opposite direction. Continue now. Inhale, point your toes, lift your chest, lift your chin, and then exhale, reverse the movement. That's it. We're creating a stable, steady base. A neutral mind. If you've gone through this healing series, you'll notice that we've walked through lots of different topics. The topic of depression, anxiety, as well as PTSD. And where we hope to land, and where you will come full circle, is to explore this video. And in this video, we're really working on putting the final touches on all of that healing, so that you can operate in your world with full intention, with focus, with clarity, and with the strength to resist any temptation to come off of your path. Doesn't mean it won't happen from time to time, but you'll recognize it and you'll come back to neutral sooner rather than later. Do this 2 more times. Inhale as you look up. Good. Reach up. Good. Curl in. And then come all the way up to center. Good. Sit here, come back to a cross-legged position. Take a moment now and scan your body. Notice how you were feeling when you first sat down and where you're feeling now. Neutral is represented by the number 4. So if you have a 4 in your numerology, whether it's the last 2 digits of your year of birth or the month that you were born in, or the numbers of your date of birth add up to 4, then this is something that you need to pay attention to, becoming neutral. It's an important quality, an important characteristic, and a gift that you can offer to others. So working on that becomes very important. If you're looking for more information, you can always email me, and I'll drop you my email at the end of this video. So from here now, let's begin. So with your palms open, bring your middle finger, ring finger, and baby finger down towards your palm and use your thumb to cover off those fingers. Leave the index fingers extended and then bend your elbows and point your index fingers towards the sky. So this is a tight position, so you're pressing in, elbows to the chest, and your fingertips are pointed up to the ceiling. Good. Turn your palms facing forward so we can see your fingers. Close your eyes now, and we begin with a mantra. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. I'll do it again. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Together now. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. 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 Keep going.
Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru.
Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. One more round.
Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru.
Good. Inhale very deeply. Squeeze your hands into fists. Hold and squeeze. Hold, hold, hold. Through the mouth, let it go. 2 more times. Inhale, squeeze. Hold, tense, tense, tense. Let it go. 1 more time. Take a deep inhale. Squeeze, tense, hold, let it sit. Hold. And let it go. Relax your hands here, sit for a moment. The meaning of this mantra, Har, Hare, Hari, Wa, He, Guru. Har, Hare, Hari, the 3 aspects of God, generating, organizing, and delivering. Wahe Guru, the mantra of ecstasy, infinite and the finite connecting, intertwining, becoming one. So bringing us to neutral, bringing us to a place where we can perceive, where we can hold ourselves steady and ready when we receive information. Beautiful quality, beautiful characteristic. If you'd like to develop more of these qualities, a very important thing that you can do is to pursue a deeper training. And that's yoga teacher training with Yoga Vision. And I'll be your lead teacher on that. Some of the people that you've seen in the videos now will be assisting that program. And a very powerful way to now take what you've learned and really translate it into your daily day-to-day life. It is a 9-month course, all delivered online, and a powerful way to take these teachings on, to learn more about the history, philosophy, and the way that you can use Kundalini Yoga to treat yourself as a medicine. Please get in touch at yogavision.com, or you can send me an email at love.yogavision@gmail.com. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Sit up tall and straight. We end with a long sat, short nam. Truth is my name. Inhale very deeply. Sat Nam. Love to all, light to all, peace to all. Sat Nam. Thank you very much for joining in, and also big thanks to Deb and Vanessa. And this is our global community now. Thank you very much for joining in and being part of this movement towards a deeper, richer, more fulfilling experience. Lots of love. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. I'll see you then.